Hello friends, welcome back. Let us see today what's the current feeling of your partner. See, your partner is completely in not a good taste right now, not a good mood. He or she is not accepting anything what the universe is trying to offer them, or maybe they are trying to empty their cups, whatever. So many cups they have drank, or so many relationship in their past they have been. So they are trying to remove all toxicity from their life. Also, that also I feel your person is trying to overcome all those toxicity in his or her life. They are trying to move away from all those things that used to make them toxic person, or they used to enter in so many relationship, or they used to drink from so many cups with so many partners. So that they are trying to remove all those habits of theirs, and then they are trying to overcome all this so that they can fill their cup with your love only. So that they are trying to do, but definitely they are not in a good mood right now. But I feel this way, that the person is definitely trying to empty all the cups that they used to drink from, or they are trying to move away from all those people, all those love relations in the past that they have entered into, and they are completely trying to erase all those things and fill their cup completely with the new love. And they want to move towards you. Knight of Wands is a card of action. The person wants to come towards you, but Knight of Wands is also a card of little you can say in a little playful kind of person. So this person is still in a playful energy, not exactly in a king kind of condition. That's why they are trying to overcome this habit of their in and out condition. They are coming sometimes they go away. This kind of behavior, they are trying to overcome that behavior of their. They are trying to change themselves, and they will be successful in changing themselves completely. Your person will definitely be successful in changing themselves, and they are working hard, because this person is trying to move away the things from that is not serving them, or the behavior of their, or the Casanova behavior of their. They are trying to overcome that, and they will be successful in this, because a person used to come in, and they used to go out again, they used to come in, and they used to go out, in and out situation. They are trying to overcome that, and they are trying to change their behavior. If they were in a toxic kind of behavior, they are trying to overcome their toxic behavior. Yeah, this is the only justice, because the divine timing is at play, and or all this destiny, it was written in your person's destiny, it was written in your destiny, that your person has to go through all these things. So your person has gone through all those relationship, because that was destined in your person's life, and now your person is moving away from all those things. And because they have made up their mind to move away from all those cups that is not serving them, all those relationship that is not serving them. They are moving away from all those things, all those toxic behaviors and all those toxic things. They are moving away from them, and this is the only justice, this is the only right thing for your person to do. And Lord Saturn, justice with Lord Saturn is helping your person to do all these things, because Lord Saturn is the lord of, you can say, in a justice. So they are helping your person. This is the only justice, because this justice is also written in your destiny. In your destiny, the justice was written. Because of that, your person is moving away from all those toxic relationship, whatever past relationship that was not serving them. They are moving away from them, and that the time has come for all these things, for a person to move away from all these things. Yeah, six of swords, six of wands, and death. Again, number six is a card of love. I feel definitely a person, again and again the same cards are coming. Your person is trying very hard to move away from the rough path, whatever situation is going on in their life, or whatever toxicity is going on in your life, in their life. They are moving away from there. I mean, even I feel you are trying very hard to move away from this kind of situation, whatever situation is going on in your life. You are standing very strong and you are trying to move away from all this. Universe is helping you to move away from this toxicity. I feel this way. Even you are working very hard and you will be successful in moving very from all this condition, and even a person will be very successful in moving away from this toxicity, because Six of Wands suggests me a person will get victory in this and you will also get victory. You both will be successful in coming out of this rough weather, definitely, because Six of Wands is a card of victory, and you and your person definitely will come together in future. Even your person is going to accept you in the front of entire family, friends, community. That also I feel that is definitely going to happen, because you and your person are going through a major transformation. That is a card of major transformation. You can say a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. When a caterpillar is turning into a butterfly, it is a very painful process. At one time the caterpillar feels that they are going to die or they are not going to stay alive. At that moment only they completely change into a butterfly. This kind of situation is going on in your life also and your person's life also. You feel that too much pressure, and so why universe is testing me so hard and what wrong I have done. So please come out of this victim mentality, because God is turning you on to from caterpillar to a butterfly. Your life, you will fly, then you will have a very good life after that. But this transformation is necessary at present. So be patient and don't question so much to the universe. Whatever is happening is good. Pay gratitude whatever you have in life at present, because universe is helping you. Universe is there with you. Angels are with you. So this transformation is very important for both of you at present. So don't question too much and just trust the universe. See, two cards are coming. Clarity of belief. Definitely your person and you both are getting clarity. What I told you, see the butterfly again, as it confirmed, universe confirmed my message that you are turning into a butterfly. Definitely a person also knows that you are also turning into a butterfly. You both are getting clarity of belief. You both will get clarity of what universe is trying to tell you and what your person is all about. You definitely both will get the clarity. And nurture. The universe is telling you at present to nurture yourself. You need to, you can say this is a kind of empress card. So you both will have abundance, everything abundance in life, and your person knows that you are his or her empress. Empress means a complete package person, who is very lovable, who is very abundant, and who is very caring. That kind of feeling a person is having for you at present. And this kind of sun, you can see the sun is going to rise for both of you, and see, you can see the person holding some light in the hand. You will hold light, you will have light in your life, you will bring that light in your life. So nurture yourself, heal yourself. You will definitely get this abundance in your life. Your person will come in your life, because your person is taking a charge of himself. Just see, a person is taking a charge of themselves. They have decided what they want to do and they are working towards it. They will definitely take a lead and come towards you. So stop doubting about it. Your person is in a transformation stage, and transformation stage is very painful. So it can take time, but the person will definitely come. See, but workaholic, maybe you may be very busy at present, or your person may be very busy in their work, or maybe they are working out so many things, how to take a lead, or how to progress in life, or how to get abundance in life. You both are working towards working means both are working. Even you are working and your person is also working. Both are maybe you may get involved too much in work at present. I feel that you may get so much work that you may get involved too much in that, and you may not miss your person so much, because when you are going to change your focus, you are going to divert your mind, then only your person will miss you a lot. So definitely I think you will be very workaholic in this month or in next month, in coming months, and your person is definitely also going to work very hard on himself about what they want to do, because they know if they are not going to work, this relationship is not going to work and it will fake it. They definitely know that, so they need to work on that. And even you know that if you are not going to work on yourself, if you are going to only going to focus on your person is not going to come. Therefore you need to focus on yourself, on your work, on your priorities and your abundance. So definitely a person will come back. And you are praying a lot about all these situations. Maybe your person is also praying a lot at present. Both are into praying mood at present. Both are praying a lot about each other. So don't worry, your prayers will be heard. Definitely universe is hearing your prayers and your prayers will be answered. Okay friends, thanks for watching. If you like my reading, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.